Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money in Pocket Option from Mastercard. So if you want to do this, go to your real trading account right here. And now we want to deposit money from our Mastercard. So we click right here on Finance and then we select right here Deposit. Then he will send us right here through this page. And then what we're going to do, select right here your country, that's the Netherlands. And then right now what we are going to do is select right here Visa Mastercard. You can do this for US dollar or euro. I'm from the Netherlands, so I will do this for euro. Then we select this and then he will send us right here to this page. Then at this page, we fill in right here how much we want to deposit. So let's do 250, that is fine. We can also select, I have a promo code. If you have that, enable it. Otherwise, you can fill in someone's promo code if you want to do that. And then after that, what you need to do is go further and then select right here your payment process. So fill in your credit card, do all the information and then go further. And then they will send you to the payment execution. That is exactly where you will find the information about your payments. I can do this because I didn't verify my account on Pocket Option, but if you verified your account, you can simply go through these steps right here and then you can put money on your account from Mastercard. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.